This is not sponsored. I'm not that big of a YouTuber yet. This BabyLiss flat iron is everything. That's really what my channel is. It's home and hair. What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to share how I keep my hair super straight, or the key to like super sleek straight hair. So I don't straighten my hair too often, but lately when I do straighten my hair, I'm using this baby. Okay, so we're gonna be talking about my nails are so cute, y'all, but if you've been on my channel before, you know that this is a no judgment zone. So I don't judge you, you don't judge me. That's how we do on my channel. We just share tips, tricks, all that good stuff, everything from home and beauty. So we're doing this a follow-up review to this BabyLiss flat iron. I got it maybe a few months ago, and I did a review on it. I'll link it above. I also did a silk press. So I did a couple silk presses on my channel, and the updated one was with this flat iron just to like test it out. But I love it, and because I got a lot of like comments about it and people chiming in on their perspective of this flat iron, I wanted to make this video to give like an updated review, and then just to let y'all know like how it's doing on my hair. So I have like a 4A texture hair. I also have like I have a few videos on my channel for hair. So I have like a twist out video so you can see my curl texture. I also have, like I said, some silk press videos where you can see my hair texture when it's wet. So I'll link those in the description so you can look like through my hair videos. So here's the issue. Here's the controversy with this flat iron. It goes up to 465. So never mind the chewed nails. Boom. So it goes up to 465, right? And when I did my last silk press video with this, I did it on 465, right? So I got some comments like, you know, oh, past 450, it's like causes heat damage and stuff like that. So for me, I'm going to let you guys know, using this flat iron, I have not experienced heat damage. I always, tip one, always use a heat protectant. I'm talking about when you doing the blow dry process, and then again before you flat iron. I always do that, and that always saves me. Look at my silk press videos so you can see it's a thermal shield by Can2. I'll link it in the description too if I remember, but it's also in my silk press videos. It has like this golden orange top, but I always make sure I use heat protectant when I blow dry and before I flat iron. That's key, and I haven't, like I said, I haven't experienced heat damage. And then another thing, so I don't straighten my hair all the time. I come on here a lot with my hair straightened, but when I'm doing a lot of my home DIY videos, I don't straighten my hair. My hair is just like in a ponytail. I wash it, and I just wash it, brush in the ponytail, and let it go. So because I don't put heat to my hair every single day, that's for one. And then I also don't straighten my hair all the time. That prevents heat damage. When you're always constantly flat ironing your hair, you're definitely going to experience some heat damage. So what I normally do, so let me get y'all a close look. Okay, so I flat iron my hair every 8 weeks, okay? And so I'll do like a silk press, and when I do my silk press, that's when I obviously flat iron my hair, straighten it, and everything in between. So maybe like 2 weeks after I do my silk press, I'm just washing my hair, I'm just deep conditioning my hair, I'm just wearing it in like a little bun, you know, just washing it, brushing it, combing it out, putting it in a little curly bun in the back, and that's just kind of how I navigate. So I do every 8 weeks because when I straighten my hair, I trim it. So I actually also have a DIY trim your hair at home video. So I've been doing a lot of hair videos on my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, I do a lot of home and hair stuff, pretty much. That's really what my channel is. It's home and hair. So I try to keep my hair healthy. My hair, I actually just cut it. I did this TikTok hack on my channel and I literally cut like 4 inches off my hair. And it's growing back already. And the key is because I keep it trimmed. I don't put too much heat on it. All in all, my hair is very healthy even though I straighten it up with this BabyLiss. So this BabyLiss flat iron is everything. Like, I know it goes up to 465. I know there's a risk of heat damage. But again, because I don't flat iron my hair every day, I always use a heat protectant, double heat protectant, blow dry and flat iron. And again, once I straighten my hair, that's it. Once I do my style for the week or whatever, I don't flat iron it every morning. I don't touch it up. Like, I don't ever touch it up. Like, I just make sure I wrap my hair up at night, you know, wrap it down or bring it down during the day. And that's it. Like, if you are going to be constantly using this to straighten your hair, that's when you're gonna run into problems. But I'm just, again, giving my opinion. A lot of people commented on my video. Let me pull it up actually. I wanted to do this video because when I did this review on BabyLiss, it was like, you know, could this be the world's best flat iron? So make sure you check out that. But I gave my honest opinion like I do on anything. I always give my honest review. I like this flat iron. It was a good investment. Definitely a good upgrade from my previous one. But let me see what these comments. I don't hear any of that when I'm flat ironing my hair. But I just wanted to say, and this is not sponsored. I'm not that big of a YouTuber yet. So this is just, I think I saw somebody on YouTube. I might have just been scrolling YouTube. I don't even think I was in the looking for a new flat iron, because my good old Conair, I think it was, or it might have been, I don't know. My last flat iron, it was doing its job. But I think I saw somebody do a video and I was like, ooh, like I want to try that. So I tried it, and ever since then I haven't turned back. So this flat iron is good. I bought it myself with my own money. I don't know anybody at this company, but YouTube helped me decide. Once I tried it, I liked it. But yeah, just, you know, take precautions, take care of your hair. Don't overdo it. But yeah, stay tuned to my channel for all the hair care tips that I can provide, hair growth tips, scalp maintenance, all of that good stuff. But I really just wanted to share this video because a lot of people always ask me like, oh, is that your hair? First of all, it's not even that long, not right now, but is that your hair? Like, how do you keep your hair so healthy? And this is just one of the ways I keep my hair healthy, especially as a, you know, when I straighten it, is just by using a good heat protectant, good serums. And if you want to see my full like silk press video, I'll link it. You can check it out. It's on my channel. Search the other content on my channel so you can get to know what I do on my channel. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope this gave some people a little bit of clarity or a little bit of a follow-up review on this particular flat iron and how it's been doing to my hair. I will be doing like a new twist out video on my channel, just so y'all can see like the current state of my natural hair and its curly ways. But yeah.